Okay, you can see we have everything we need here for the inside of the head and the mouth. We have a 1-inch hinge. Got the back of the head. We have this hook which will go on the bottom of the stick, which will put a rubber band on to the body. We have a 1-inch ring. We've got the 2 ears already with a screw in them. We've got these eyes that we're going to put in him. These screws hold the back of the head on. These eye hooks here go on the mouth. One for the string, which will go down through the neck, and the other one is for the spring, which will attach to the top of the head. We have a 3-inch spring, 24-inch piece of nylon line. We've got a 1/2-inch dowel. This is for the back of the head where the string will go up and over. And this piece is going to be connected to the mouth with the hinge, so the mouth will open and close properly. So we've got everything we need to finish him up. And we got the mouth sitting there for right now. And we'll be ready for the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. Thank you.